Hello student, this presentation video related to the hospitality management second semester first module. This presentation discuss only the first area of this module, that is information systems. So this presentation is discussing about the background of the information system related to the lesson 1. So we have to understand uh, each and every hospitality industry, especially hotels. They use different types of information system, simply called softwares. So we'll see what are the softwares specially used in our industry. So we need to understand, before understanding the softwares, we need to understand why hospitality industry use several types of systems. According to this slide, you can see there are actually three reasons explained. There, number one is for successful business and business expand and compete. So in this presentation, focusing on these three aspects. So we'll see what it means by successful business. So when it comes successful business, not only hospitality industry, all other industries, good business or a, a powerful business come under successful business. When the business becomes success, internal and external customer needs to satisfy. In our industry, internal customers mean employee, internal employee. For example, front office staff, housekeeping staff, food and beverage staff, account staff, HR staff, all the staff. We are concerned about internal customers. So external customers, in the sense our guests. So very important component is external customers. So we have to satisfy both customers to make the business success. In that case, before satisfy internal customers, we need to make external customers satisfied. The reason is our major income source depending on customers. When we have many customers, we can earn more revenue. When the hotel get more revenue, most of the portion go into the internal customers. For example, service charge. Not only uh, uh, different department, most of the uh, departments in our hotel get the benefit of that. So this is the added advantage on hospitality industry, not like other industries, especially hotel industry get this benefit. So I hope you can understand, before satisfy internal customers, we have to satisfy external customers. So in our area is, when we want to satisfy external customers, we have to use different types of systems, technologies, softwares. So we'll see what are the technologies and softwares that we can use for external customers. You can see the list for external customers. Online reservation. So you can understand, when the guests getting online reservation, it's a very helpful and very easy way to reserve any hotel. Auto check-in, especially in front office, I think we all discuss these areas. So auto check-in mean without delaying check-ins in front office, easily we can do check-in via kiosk. And mobile phone check-in is the latest type of check-in. They use a mobile phone and they don't want to talk to the front office people, they automatically check in. And smart TV, especially for housekeeping department, bedside touch panel for housekeeping department, electronic minibar also housekeeping. Food order via tab is specially controlled in food and beverage department. So all these technologies are very highlighted, and those are is more attractive for guests. So they will happy when we use this kind of a system. The time gap is very we can make it minimize, and accuracy is very high, and most of the advantages added for using this technology. So when we use these technologies, definitely external customer become happy. And we'll see the other part is external customer. What internal customers getting from the information technology. First one is PMS. PMS in property management system. That is the software runs in the major 4 departments, especially front office, housekeeping, food and beverage, and cookery. All these departments use PMS. When a hotel use PMS, it's helpful for the internal customers. For example, like front office, if they use a proper PMS, they can easily do the reservation, they can easily do check-in, check-out. Most of the tasks they can easily do. So EMS, the second one, EMS means energy management system, is another system related to the housekeeping department, connected to key card. It's save more power save, then it is added advantage for organization. POS especially goes for F&B department. They can do KOT, BOT via POS system. So it looked like a cashier machine, right? So kitchen display, again a kitchen print, again a kitchen, fingerprint, HR, fire alarm system for security system. So all these systems are added advantage for internal customers. So when we have proper system, internal customers also getting satisfied, external customers also getting satisfied with use this kind of system. So I hope you can understand about how business getting successful when adding some new technologies to the customers. So the second one is business expand. This is very important component that we have to discuss. Expanding in the sense going to the next level. We can expand the hotel in several levels. Individual hotel to local chain hotel, local chain hotel to international chain hotel. You can understand about when you have a one hotel in the island, when the hotel is growing, they will start up a new branch in different location or a city. So it is a chain hotel. So when they increase number of hotels, it's a chain hotel. It's a something like that. For example, say Amaya Hotels, it's a local chain. And when they have a local chain, they can start up and they can grow it to the next level. That's called local chain to international chain. So that is the next level. So so you can see some logos here in the world, most powerful hotels. For example, Marriott, Hyatt, and Hilton, Ramada. There are a lot of. So all these hotels having international chain. So our area is what we need to discuss when they have a bigger organization, they have to use proper system. Otherwise, managers cannot control all the hotels. Say most of the top level managers can understand what happened each and every hotel. Without having a proper system, they can't understand. So they use proper system. Connected to the same slide, when manage large number of hotel, management need to use proper and powerful software system. We'll take one example for Marriott Hotel. So according to this diagram, this table related 2010, I think you can see they have Canada International, USA Canada and International. They compared. So Marriott Hotel, they have their mother branch is Canada, and they have 356 hotel in Canada. International, they have 194 total hotel residents, and likewise different suites in apartments. Ritz-Carlton, likewise, when they get the total, they have 3,456 hotel. So you can imagine how the management, the top level management, we are not considering about the GM. More than a GM, there's another level of management. So the top level management needs to understand what happened each and every hotel. Think about the shareholders and stakeholders, especially stakeholders. So stakeholders are the real owners. So real owners needs to understand what happened inside the hotel. If they have a proper system, only they can understand all the situation in the hotel. So our concern is to go to the next level. When we add a new hotels, so definitely we have to use a system. So that system, those system we have to discuss in next presentation. And the next important component is business compete. So compete is actually related to the competitors. We have to competition. There's a big competition in hotel industry. They have to make a good hotel. They have to make a simple word is benchmark. The benchmark hotel, according to the Sri Lanka Marriott, is a benchmark. Shangri-La is a benchmark hotel. So they are the leaders, and they are having a maximum. They are giving the maximum service. Everyone knows about that. So that is the benchmark. So when having a competition, when compete the competition, so we got a benchmark. We can get a benchmark. We can have a benchmark. To get the benchmark or to compete others, also very important to have a proper system. Especially like earlier days, most of the hotel use PMS. Nowadays they converted to the ERP. ERP means enterprise resource planning. So when they have a large number of hotels, they can manage each hotel easily using enterprise property enterprise resource planning system. So these are the major three parts, three components, three areas that we need to understand why we need a proper information system. Okay, so you can understand about why we need to make the business success, and we have to go to the next level. We have to grow it, and we have to fight with other hotels. So to make this success, we need to have a proper system. So I hope everyone can understand about this very simple concept. So with this knowledge, we can understand the next part of the area. So thank you very much to listening the presentation. If you have any doubt, you can have a comment on this video. Okay, thank you very much.